What's up, guys? It's Eggie here. It's cold as hell in here. I got a bunch of Puerto Rican guys in my garage. Xavi, Edison, Javier. But finally gonna finish taking out the Kuko's transmission. Actually, I just realized that the music is still playing even though I'm recording. That's never happened before, but whatever. Must be this new iPhone thing. Also, last video, that was a lot more crispier. The audio sounded real good too in the last video. But crispy, sounded good. But anyways, like I said, we're gonna start taking this thing apart. You get the PPG gears in there. I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, now we're at an undisclosed location. Mind your business. Another one. Got the transmission. Javier already started. Me and Xavi made a detour, but Javier's already started taking it apart. No, I didn't really want to show you guys us pulling it out of the car again because you guys seen that like 4 times already. So it's nothing new. But got the gears here, got some bevs, got the guys, and some transmission.
And that silicone is stuck.
Yeah, it is.
That's really good stuff.
Either that or it's frozen.
That's fucking good.
Hey, no cursing.
It's a family channel.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't want to talk bad. Déjame despegarla para después abrirla porque.
You think it's better to put it on the floor because the table's taking away the.
Yeah.
But it's frozen too, probably.
Grab it on
Ya
that side.
ya te llamaron que están en la casa esperándolo.
Yo pasé por casa. Coge, va bien.
Por aquí, por acá, bro. Let's do this shit, bro.
Oh, you think that was the problem with 4th gear? Well, actually, I don't even know why I asked that off the rip. But apparently Javier said there's a piece here. Hey, look at that. We didn't have that in there.
Before.
So
Either that's at my house somewhere and we didn't put it back in, or it was never there.
I don't remember. You gotta go back in the videos and look.
I have to.
okay,
But that's the problem. See, I know how to drive. That was the problem. Look, because you see how this one right here is stiff. Look at this. Without that piece. So when I go to bang 4th, that's when the car goes. Ring. Well, we found the problem.
What was it?
That's wild. Well, it is what it is. Because now we got these. I don't even think I showed you guys.
That's the problem when we buy parts from second hand.
Yeah.
We buy these cases empty. We buy the gears empty.
Yeah, that's true. The case was bought separate, and you can't take stuff from another. You know what I mean? So
we have a remix transmission.
So I guess we found the issue, which is good. But I wish we found it last year because now we've got these. So yeah. So we've got So I'm glad we found it now though, because if we would have put these in and it still went hang, that would have been not only expensive, but very what's the word? Discouraging. But yeah, if you guys couldn't tell already, we got 3 and 4 PPG with the 5th and 6th cuff. It's gonna go into this bad thing. So all the gears are gonna look like these now. They're gonna be dog box gears, no longer looking like these, which are, you know, factory gears. So that's what we're doing right here. You know, I was talking to someone at work who he's a Honda guy as well. I guess you can call him an OG of the Honda world. He's not that old though, but you know, he's putting me on to a lot of stuff, and we were talking. And when I think about this transmission and how much money is actually sitting in this thing, that's kind of wild. And the even wildest part is that it's for a Honda. But it is what it is. But we're here now. We figured it out. Luckily, Edison has a lot of spare parts, and he saved me a lot of times.
That's your
last
superhero.
year. Yeah, that's my superhero right there. Actually, I think these gears are his.
You giving them back?
Yeah. Hey, they're still good. They're still good. We figured out the problem. So. Alright, guys. So, it was true. I looked back at old videos, and that piece that was supposed to be right here, this piece right here, was never there. This piece that was supposed to be right here, never there. So Javier pretty much confirmed that that was the problem with fourth gear. But that's nobody's fault, because I bought this used and it was sitting in the corner of a garage. We didn't know what was missing, what it needed. You know what I mean? It is what it is. I mean, it took all the other gears, but just not fourth. Unless I was going really slow. So, but now Javier's he took the bearing off the top. So now we're getting all the PPG stuff ready. Got the 5th and 6th cuff that replaces 5th and 6th because we don't really use them. Just 1 through 4, and the shifter wouldn't let me use it anyway, so. Hi, Luli.
I'm trying to clean this. I have the lubrication black over here.
Yep. What's that from? Probably from the gear, fourth gear grinding.
Yeah. Well, particles from the, we got everything used, so we don't have this brand new setup. So it's good to clean it properly.
What the fuck you doing, dude? What are you recording over here, dude?
I gotta cut that out.
Yep. Tercera y cuarta, que viene siendo esto.
Tiene una función, sí.
Tiene una función. Yep. Y la función es que va aquí. Yep, eso es lo que hemos estado hablando.
Yes, sir. That's why fourth gear kept going. Or it would go in when I was going slow.
You fucking suck at driving.
Wow. That's crazy. See, that be your own people.
Cracker.
Wow. Así que va, porque mira, este cabrón cuando está aquí, he's engaged.
As you guys can see, it's all together now, but we're figuring out that this piece was missing the whole time. My water! But, yeah. This piece was most definitely the reason that fourth gear was telling me no.
It's telling me no.
My body is telling me yes.
Oh, man, ahora.
You see, we got the 5th and 6th cuff, got all the gears in, full dog box. I don't want to talk about how much money is sitting right in front of me inside of a transmission. For a Honda, un Acura. It's crazy. All that money is stuffed inside this thing to have a crusty looking friggin' transmission cake from the outside.
Huh?
Hammer?
The rubber.
Yo pasaré por el lado con una de fábrica.
Tanto chavo para cogerlo con un cereje y partirlo.
Una camiseta de fábrica después.
If y'all don't know what Xavi's saying, he's basically saying he's gonna crack me with a stock transmission. Cause yeah, B series are lucky that they're strong from the factory, unlike K series. But if he don't beat me with that big old snail on the front,
Big O is really small. What do you mean?
it's more than my TV.
Hell no.
I'm gonna make a list. I made a list of all the cars that we all got. Top 10 list. It's kind of unfair because some of them, you know, got more stuff than the others, but that guy right there, he has a car too. He's got a car too. So that thing's coming out too. But you'll see it when it's done. Right? When it's done. I'm in a room full of turbo people. I'm feeling uncomfortable. In a room full of turbo guys.
You'll grow up to be a man one day.
Nope. You know what that means? 90 mil pistons. That's what that means. 90 mil and some single lobe cams. Nah. No nitro methane for this guy. But making sure everything works. Making sure everything works. Right now we're just checking on clearance and stuff like that. Making sure everything. Oh, Javier's just trying to break my case now. Okay, I have nothing nice.
Beautiful.
Never mind, he just called it beautiful.
Give me the little pin, the little screw that hold the selector.
What do you think, guys?
There it is. My shining glory.
I'm gonna have someone polish this so you know stays nice and shiny. Yeah, you're not gonna ever see it, but I know it's clean. But it's all together. Javier checked the clearances and everything. We had to add another shim, but it's there. We're gonna find out what it feels like not to have to let off.
What a beauty.
See if we hit the 10s.
That's the goal.
If it don't, DM me on Instagram. We could talk prices.
Out.
And why?
You got the city?
Oh, what's the other dude's name? Frank. Frank hit me up. And why? Frank hit me up if it don't run 10s. I got JDM headlights. I know what I got. But hopefully this little piece right here was the issue of why fourth was being such a problem. Nah, eso fue. Eso fue. Because this thing was going like, no fue la polla, todavía está haciendo así. If I miss gear, I hope Frank's at the track. We're gonna talk business. Frank, how much we talking, baby? Nah. Heck no. I'll freaking buy another gear set before I sell that car. This transmission right here is more than the value of the car itself. Cha-cha. That one's shiny. We gotta paint mine. We gotta paint mine like that.
I know.
That one's shiny looking.
Hey, that is some look.
Cha-cha. Cha-cha. But well, we're gonna get this thing shut and we'll see you guys in a second.
In a jiffy.
There you go, brother. Alright. Alright, guys. It's shut. Javier tapped these holes because they're all messed up and hogged out. Now he's gonna do that cylinder head right there. That's not mine, no.
Show him what is a powerful engine too?
Powerful engine? It only has one cam.
It's gonna beat you up with one cam.
Leave me alone. Why is everybody trying to bully me? Nah.
Super single.
But we're all done. Transmission's shut. Now we gotta go take the clutch out. Now right now, it's 1 a.m. But the clutch gotta come out because we shimmed it. No?
we gotta set it off.
Say it's 1 a.m.
What?
They gotta be like, damn.
Well, we were kind of BSing the whole time too. Hey, I don't know what time we started.
A day ago.
I mean, technically, yeah.
So the goal?
But we gotta take the clutch out, take the flywheel out because it got we shimmed it because of some stuff. Then I gotta order the right throw out bearing. But anyways, we're done. This video is done, and I'll see you guys next time. Say bye, everybody.
Good night.
Good night, my friend.